Hi Manu. Well, this is the graph that I am telling you about. There's this color code for every node that I programmed. I gathered all the data from Discord and stuff. So on this video, I will only show you how to use it and how intuitive it is. So we have countries that, well, we could put countries and person, um, but the countries like India, for example, we have all these relations. So people in India might not know whether it's convenient for them to work with somebody that is in India or somebody that is in the United States, just because they're in the very same country. Sometimes it's even harder. So for that, I put country, then state and city, then affiliation and person. So all these relationships kind of give us way better understanding of who to work with as for, I don't know, just some credentials or even physical proximity. So uh, we can also look for specific persons. For example, I don't know, you. There you go. And then we can know which projects you were in or the affiliation and the city, for example. And so you're in these two, centers. And we can also know, for example, which projects did you make in during the course. So here's the one that you help us with, and we can expand it. And now we know that there's a book prototype and there were 4 people involved. And if you zoom in, then you know like the names. Here's me. Ha. Also, well, this is like if you want to make a query on a person or on a project, you can also look for countries, like which countries were they involved, or for example here, expand. Stanford also has this two affiliations, the Free Genes Project, the SportNet, sorry, which you are not involved, but you could through Stanford, for example. And if you want to see which people are involved in these 3 specific affiliations, then there you go. So here's just one way of using this database. The whole database contains, well, looks like this: affiliation, and then person, and then project, and then product. This is only for the Frugal Science course. And we can see some clusters, we can see some peripheries, but this is all for using some cluster algorithms that we can maybe do later, that I'm still learning on Arizona State. But I think this is like a more visual tool to understand what we grasped during the course. And also, for example, if we want to see the person and their affiliations on their cities, we can see some clusters here as well. We can see this specific city, which is Stanford, but also the rest of this, even though India, if we want to add India, for example, city and then state and then country, India is also a very big cluster, but doesn't gather the very same kind of strength as Stanford does, or the United States. So if we select all, we can look for the hidden links. All. here's the clusters. So we have, for example, this very cute guide, which is Switzerland, and it's provided by Sundar. And then we can also apply some algorithms on shortest path. So, for example, this person, Nicole, wants to contact this person, Sundar. The shortest path, I mean, would be Discord, but through the Fisheye project, and here are the two selected. Okay. There you go. Let me see. It's through the Fisheye project. Also, there are a lot of people that didn't participated on a specific project, but I still put them because they are still kind of, well, not kind of, they're super important as allies. So yeah, you can move through the network and make a very huge zoom and stuff. But this is like, you can ask different questions to the graph database. I want to talk about it with you and Tyler maybe, because I was also thinking on making, well, I already started making some illustrations for it. So please let me know if you're interested and keep this work further, because we can still add other persons or cities or affiliation and resources. I already put on the GitHub repository all the ideas that we could use to expand this and make it more functional and useful. So please let me know. I just don't want to keep this experience on a Google Drive folder or on a web page. I want it to be useful. So please let me know, and see you soon.